What's up, guys? In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to get the developer build of Forza Horizon 3, the most up-to-date developer build of Forza Horizon 3, and Blizzard Mountain. So if you head over to the description, the first link you'll see is for this website right here. You're going to need to make a free account in order to download this stuff. You'll need one. And you're going to scroll down until you see these things right here. So for where it says developer build, you're going to want to download where it says original and Blizzard Mountain. So the original is a torrent, everything else is files. So Blizzard Mountain you'll want to download, and then automated tool you'll want to download that. So if you click it, it'll take you to another little forum thingy, and it'll put you right here, and then you just click on this right here, this attachments, click that, and it'll download. And then you'll come to update, and you'll click here, and you'll download this, and you'll hit fix for the dev build. So you'll need both of those. So this right here and this. Then you'll come back, and that's all you're going to need from here. Those two files from update, the one file from here, and then the original and Blizzard Mountain. So you should have 5 things in total. So after you do that, you don't need the internet anymore, and you'll end up with these 4 things, and then opus dev, obviously, after you torrent it and finish downloading it. So then what you're going to want to do is you're going to open your opus dev folder, and you're going to want to go to the auto Forza Horizon 3, and you're going to want to copy this and paste it into your opus dev folder, because you're going to need this again, so you don't want to just move it. So you have that in here, so then you can just get that out of the way for now. And then you have the opus Blizzard Mountain. You're going to want to take this and drag it into your opus dev folder, just like that. Go inside of the opus Blizzard Mountain, and you're going to want to bring back the auto Forza Horizon 3, and you're going to want to drag and drop it into the Blizzard Mountain folder. Then you can just X off that, and we're done with the auto Forza Horizon thing. So next what you want to do is you want to come back, and you want to run the automated tools. So you're going to hit fix for Horizon 3, and then Forza Horizon 3 dev build is not registered on this PC, and hit next, and then hit finish. I'm not going to do it because I already have it installed, but that's what you're going to do for that. And then it'll close out, and then the second one, it should disappear, yep, just like that. And then come to opus Blizzard Mountain, do the same thing, run this, it'll open, and you'll click fix Blizzard Mountain, and then hit Blizzard Mountain is not registered, hit next, hit finish, and then it'll be done, and it'll disappear again. And then what you want to do is come back to your opus dev folder, and then you want the update, which is on the right, and the fixes, which is on the left. So you're going to want to go to the update, open this up, and go to your media file. Mine's empty because I didn't want to copy the entire 53 gigabyte game again, but yours will have a bunch of stuff inside of it. Here I can just show you what it'll have inside. It'll look like this right here. This is what your media file will look like. So you're going to just highlight all this and drag it over, and it'll say once it's moving, it'll say replace blah blah. You want to replace everything. So then after you do that, we're done with this update folder. Then the last thing you want to do is go to fixes, and you'll see DB and stripped. So you want to go to DB over here in your media, go to DB in the fixes, and drag that over and replace it. Come back to media, go to stripped, go back to stripped over here, and drag and drop this over here, hit replace once again, and then you are done with everything. So from there, you want to you want to make sure that you don't have Forza installed. That is the thing. Like, if you did all this and you still have it installed and you get an error, you'll most likely get an error when you're doing the auto tool. If you do get that error, just come over here and scroll down, and if you have Forza installed, uninstall it. Mine says it's there because it comes back by itself for some reason, just the icon. But if it says it's there, you're just going to want to right click it and hit uninstall, wait for that to uninstall, and then do this again, and it should work. So basically you're done, and then you're going to want to, you'll see launch opus. Here's my actual game folder. You'll want to go and you'll want to double click it. Well, you'll have shortcuts on your desktop, it'll make them, but as you can see, it loads up. Here's the loading screen. This is again the updated version, so it'll look like this. and then you'll come to the start screen, which you'll go through everything, blah blah, and load into the game. So I will fast forward until I get into the game, and I'll show you that everything works. Alright, we're loading in. As you can see, everything works. I've already modded a whole bunch of things, but we have here, I'm going to go to the auto show is what I should go to. So if we go to view all, we have a lot of DLC cars, but then we go over and you can see we have Hot Wheels. So we have all of these cars. Yes, they all work. Yes, you can drive them, and if you really want to mod your database, you can get these wheels for any other car that also works. So there's that, and now I will show you that Blizzard Mountain works. Alright, so now you can see we are here at Blizzard Mountain, well, at the airport at the Blizzard Mountain thing. So now, on the old version, if you would go to travel here, it would tell you to buy it, but now look what happens. Would you like to launch the Forza Horizon 3 Blizzard Mountain expansion? And you'll hit yes, and there it goes.
Alright, I'd like to state for the record that I was against this.
Alright, and as you can see here, we are in Blizzard Mountain. And it does work. So I'll just go outside. So here we are, Blizzard Mountain. If we push this, we have the developer menu. Also a thing, if your developer menu is not opening, make sure that you enable a British English keyboard. So if you have it English or whatever other language, you want to add the United Kingdom one, and you're going to hit the Windows button and push the space button. This little thing on the right side will pop up, and you'll just want to set it to United Kingdom, and then you're going to push the key right below your escape key and above the tab key. Don't remember what it's called off the top of my head, but that's what you're going to push to open it. Or if you're on a controller, you can push both thumbsticks together at the same time, and it will open. So that is basically it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this, and I hope the game works for you. Be sure to comment down below if you have any problems or you need help, and I'll try and get back to you when I see your comments. Other than that, thanks for watching. Peace out.